Hi guys, I've got a typical little Honda 2000 watt generator and it's pretty quiet, but there's always room for a little improvement. So I took this stainless gas line that typically hooks up a gas range or a gas dryer, and the fitting that would go on the appliance fits quite nicely over the flange on the muffler of a Honda generator. And so I'll just show you, I've welded that right onto the flange of the generator, and fits quite nicely. The weld isn't quite as fancy as the Honda guys, but and then the fitting can just be screwed back on. And we usually use this on a little cabin cruiser boat that we have, and so it sits on the swim platform, and we can set that into that hose down in the water, and it cuts down on a fair bit of the exhaust noise and also disperses the fumes a little better. But even if you're using it in a campground, just a pail of water, dunk it in there, and I'll give you a little demonstration of how it works. So it's still not silent by any means, but cuts down on a few more decibels. And in the case of the boat, it's kind of nice to send those fumes a little further away. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and just a little hack for your Honda generator.